Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I have a review for you guys of a new brand of gel polishes. This is, well, at least new for me, and this is by Gershion. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. I initially first thought this was an A, but it's actually an R, so G-E-R. Yeah, Gershion, something like that. Needless to say, this is a brand that you will see available on Amazon. I am going to have the link to this beautiful set down in the description bar below for you guys, so you can go check them out. A beautiful collection of mini bottles of gel polishes. So I'm going to do the unboxings. I wanted to show you how, so you can see how nicely packaged they come. The beautiful box. I love the colors, and packages like these, to me, they just always, I always think of them as like making a great gift for a nail enthusiast, or for those. So let me show you around the box. You will have here information about the seller and the product, where the product was made. Nice. On the back, I do like how they do have the ingredients here. You can find them listed. Oh, I'm upside down, sorry. Listed in the back of the box if you're interested to know. Sometimes it's good to know ingredients in the product in case you find out you're allergic to anything. Additional guidance on how to apply the product, removal, and then some warning labels. So that's good that it's available. Let me go ahead and open this up so you guys can see how nice. So yes, the box, it says 20 plus 3 is 20 different colors. The 3 are the 3 clear gels, meaning 2 top coats and a base coat. So here they are, gorgeous. Nice set, beautiful. Again, it's like, oh, you know, any nail enthusiast that receives this. So inside the package, this is nice and tight in this foam. In the package, you will have one set of this is enough for a one-time removal. There's about these 10 pads of these. This is the gel removal pads, you know, those pads that come with alcohol, not alcohol, but acetone for gel removal if you already have something on your nails. And then you have a nice application guide here with detailed instructions to follow if you are new doing gels. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these colors I'm going to talk about, talk about the viscosity, but I instead of doing each single one as a swatch to show you for the sake of timing, I have them already swatched on a color wheel, and then I want to talk about the labels that you can see on the top. So let's take a look at that. Okay guys, so here they are out of the box, but they're still in the foam. I want to show you all the colors are identified with numbers. As you can see here, there's no name of the colors, just the numbers, all with the letter S, and this collection goes from 140 to 160, but there's a number missing. Here it is. Okay, there's no 149, so it goes they're in order, and it goes 150, 148, or I'm counting backwards, 147, 148, no 149, then it goes to 150, 151, so on and so forth. But there you have them, and let me go ahead and pull out this bottle. So the bottles these are 5 mLs. There they are. All of these cure in 30 seconds under my LED lamp, okay? And this one that I have here is the top coat, the clear top coat. There you can see the viscosity. I'll go ahead and open some new different ones so you can see. It also comes with the base coat, which is what you apply directly to your bare nail prior to applying the color. This one I have not opened. It's tight. So you can see the viscosity. And also we have the matte top coat. I did use it on the swatches. On the swatches you will see the colors in both glossy and matte. There's the top coat. And this one you can expect to have a cloudy look to it, okay, because it is a matte top coat. Both glossy and matte top coat cure without a tacky layer out of the lamp. That's nice. I do love that. Okay, so what I wanted to show you here, and I am going to show you the application on one of these colors. I found out that the formula on these gels is they got very good viscosity, pretty thick, okay, very pigmented. So they are awesome. They will be awesome. I actually use some of them for drawing art designs. Okay, here's this gorgeous turquoise. This is number 150. I opened each one of them to make sure everything was good with them. Nothing, no problems with the bristles on the brushes or anything like that. And one thing that I can appreciate, guys, take a look at these labels, because, and I have been asked before, sometimes with gels are hard to tell what are the colors, and many times when they do attempt to put labels on the bottles, the colors are way off. I don't know if it's because the labels, the papers have faded or anything like that. But I'm going to put these side by side. Here's my color wheel. Isn't that beautiful? I left out 2 colors from here, and that's because I'm wearing them, the blue and this green, and there's other variety of blues and greens in here as well. But yes, this is my mani for this week, and I went ahead and used these colors. But I want to show you, let me just grab one here by random. This is one of the first things I checked. Look at the color on that label, and hopefully the camera will do it justice and do it just right on the paper as it does on the gel, the actual product. Look at the match. Look at the match on that. Oops, let's see if I can do that without spilling. See that? They did an excellent job at matching these labels with the actual product. Big help. I truly appreciate that. I usually do, after I do the swatches on this color wheel, I pop these out and I glue them to the bottle. I might not even have to do that with these, although I might want to show my clients the difference on the glossy and the matte finish. So I'm going to bring you closer to that so you can see. Okay, so here, starting with the first one, this one is 140. It's not white, guys. It's a very pale gray. A really good substitute for white if you don't want actual white. And it just so happened the white one was the very last one that I swatched, and that's the one here next to it. So this is the white that I'm pointing out. This is the white, and this is that 140. The white is the 160. Yes, 160. And you can see the difference. Okay, it almost looks like it's shaded. And here I'm going to try to see with the light. So this is the glossy part with the glossy top coat, and there it is matted. You automatically double your collection when you have a glossy and a matte top coat. Let me show you the next one. It's 141. Take a look at that label with my swatch. All the colors will have, I did put the glossy top coat on the top and the matte top coat at the bottom, so you can see the difference. Number 142. There it is. Perfect match. I can definitely appreciate this, because sometimes swatches is really time consuming. Here's number 143. This is a beautiful coral. This is the one that I used. Yes, I used this one on a client. So I will have pictures of my design and the one that I did for my client at the end of the video, so you guys can see it. This is a red 144 in matte and glossy. 145. Oh, there are a couple of neon colors in here. So it's not this yellow. This yellow is so pretty. 145. This yellow that I'm about to grab, 146. I think this top is loose. This is 146. This is a neon, and I noticed the neon out of the lamp. These two, this yellow and this green, they were kind of dull out of the lamp after they cured, and they glow in the dark. Oh, I do have that picture. I will insert it so you guys can see it. And this is the 147. Oh, did I grab? Oh no, I skipped the 147. It's the one this one. That's the one on my nail, and check it out. Look at that match, 147. So I didn't put this one on the wheel. The one on the wheel is 148. Look at that. Gorgeous. Yes, so this is a neon green. And then this turquoise, 150. Beautiful. The other one I have on my nails is this one, 151. It's a baby blue or a pretty sky blue. Then we have, this one is a periwinkle blue. Gosh, you can't see it on the camera. Beautiful 152. This is more of a true sky color. Well, that's what it looks like on the camera, but it's actually darker in personal. person. Then we have, where am I? 153. Take a look at that. Gorgeous color. That's almost like a magenta. Then we have this purple, 154. Beautiful. Then 155. 155 is a true orange, guys. That's a true orange right there. Again, you see it in matte and glossy. Then we have this bright orange. This was almost looks like a neon orange. It's with got a it has a yellow base, some yellow tones to it, I should say. 156. Now 157. Well, 157 is more. It looks more like a darker orange. And then we have this true gray 158. Very, very pretty, nice and neutral. And of course, and then we have the black. And then the white 160. Now in general, I will say, guys, so all these on the wheel, I went ahead and got away with a single application for each one of these, okay? I really did. So yes, very pigmented gel polishes. When I did it on my nails, I did the 2 coats. And I will tell you, you watch for because of the thick viscosity and being very pigmented, watch for ripples. So watch your applications when you apply them on your nails. Try to go as thin as possible. Give it a full cure or not less than 30 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds before doing your second coat to avoid those ripples, okay? Alright, so there you guys have it, my review on this Bright and Beautiful collection of colors, gels by Gershion. And if you have any questions about them, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. This is a collection available on Amazon. Really great kit for beginners. Beautiful colors to start out with. It's started collection. Okay, so again, I would like to thank Gershion for sending me this beautiful set of gel polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.